is the appropriate body count a woman should have?
A woman's body count should not be more than 2.
How about a man?
A man can have like 100, 120 and above.
Why?
Because women, we are polygamous by nature. We can do anything we like.
So men have the liberty to have 100 body count, but women should only stick to 2. Okay, what's your body count?
Me? I can't remember.
Give me a vague figure.
I'll say 250 to 300.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious.
Are you proud of it?
Why wouldn't I be proud of it? Of course I am.
Why would you be proud of you being very randy? Because that shows that you're randy.
I'm a baller now, don't you know?
Can you be with a lady whose body count is above 2?
No, number. I can't be with a lady whose body count is above 2.
Why?
I lie.
But yours is above 250.
I'm a man now.
So there's a difference between a man and a woman.
Of course. We babies, we do everything. So, man, we not bad now. You don't know.
I don't even know what to say right now. So,
if you don't mind, you can even join the count. No problem.
No, I would. Thank you very much. What's your name? Akin.
Yeah.
Where are you from?
You're a me.
You're a bad demon.
No, I'm not a demon.
You have 250 body count and you're a demon. So are you a Yoruba demon or not?
Every Yoruba guy is a Yoruba demon.
Can you hide from God? No. God is inside you. You carry God, they go beer parlor. Instead of you to sit down with God in God's presence and enjoy your beer. And it's written in the Bible. Is the Bible not the word of God? He said,
Deuteronomy 14:26.
The Bible is Deuteronomy chapter 14 verse 26.